Welcome to Crusader Caravans manufacturing facility in Epping, Victoria, where we have 200 workers putting together over 50 vans a week for Crusader Caravans across Australia. You're probably doing the research, you're comparing apples with apples. You're looking for a fully composite constructed caravan, and you're down to Crusader and one other. So, first of all, this manufacturer stands there bragging, look at our composite construction, look at our sidewalls suspended with one piece of Meranti. These guys rely on the word composite. We use a 32mm sidewall construction, depending on the model, but at a minimum 32 sidewall. We use a 40mm constructed roof or floor, depending on the construction. We use a 50mm composite fiberglass XPS skinned fiberglass XPS foam core constructional material in our vans, depending on the model. These guys do not mention what their composite material thickness is. For all you know, it's 20, because by God does it look 20 in the video. How they think that that thing's gonna even stand up to robust conditions, but they have no business building composite vans. Why? Well, they got no idea. We build our caravans from inside out. That is how they should be built. That is the only way composite vans have any business being built. Why? Because the sidewall construction, when it's built, this surface, 16mm ply, constructed with jigsaw fitments all across the van with bracketing systems everywhere, customized patented screw constructional material on a fiberglass composite floor. Fiberglass, composite XPS foam core construction, ready for patented screws to go in and adhere the whole thing with a tested, robust constructional material and adhesive material. You've seen nothing like it. It's constructional material. But if that's not enough for you, you need to understand construction of a composite van rely on inside out manufacturing process. It allows us to run our wiring, our plumbing. It allows for the van to be built to the highest level and highest standard. RV Master Crusader Caravan Manufacturer, the highest standard in RV mastering and manufacturing. Manufacturer of the Year, you can't go past that. It's an accredited caravan industry award. You can't buy it. We are No Magazine Manufactured Van Award winner. We are the only manufacturer to stand on a pedestal and tell you we've won the award over 3 times. We're an RV Master manufacturer and we build composite right. These guys stand there, they have 2 pieces of composite wall framing suspended with 1 piece of Meranti, keeping them together. What they don't understand is as the caravan rolls through the manufacturing facility, the walls on the caravan, because of keeping in mind there's nothing to keeping it together, are moving left to right. What is that doing to your adhesive? Simple test at home. Get 2 pieces of paper, stick them together, and then wiggle them left to right. No adhesion, no glue, drying when it's not supposed to, and failing when it is going to hit those rougher roads or even bloody bitumen on the freeway here in Australia. Composite, it ain't composite. So, with my trusty screw, let's go have a look at this bloody thing. This is the manufacturing facility as we walk down the production line. So these vans are undergoing plumbing, they're undergoing wiring, they're undergoing fitments for all of the customer specification, because of course, we manufacture customized and specially ordered vans. There is no beating the constructional method by Crusader and fully composite. They haven't just woken up overnight and decided we're going to be building composite vans. This has been years, decades, eons of people planning, getting excited and making sure that what they're delivering to the customer can do exactly what it needs to and what it should do. The van starts to come together. Furniture, wiring, fitments, PowerPoints, all done at standing level. I'm not in a cupboard doing this like Neo from the Matrix. I love you, Neo. We are actually building these vans to make sure that all these things undergo pressure tests and workings and all of the wiring's concealed and suspended and beautifully trapped inside the conduit to make sure that it is top level and it exceeds what you are expecting as the manufacturer. These guys are now getting ready the sidewall. So the way it works is floor goes on the chassis, again, stuck down with a lab test of polyurethane to make sure that it is getting the correct adhesion and advice across an Australian testing facility. Then it goes through production, as we've discussed, not like those other guys, and we go ahead and we adhere all of our adhesives across the sidewall, and then with a beautiful suction cup lifting suspended device, because as you may have guessed it, no one else has these devices at their manufacturing facility. But Michael, how do they lift them up? Probably just 4 blokes in a broom, if I'm being honest. Have a look at this. The wall's just been laid up. We've got our grabber lifting suction devices that lift up the wall, suspended, and then goes on in a jigsaw fitment. It's perfectly guided. It is a Mastercraft CNC jigsaw fitment. We are so precise in our fitments that we could take off a sidewall with a fully constructed Caravan, cap the wiring, get the second sidewall, and put it back on in an event of insurance and make it fit like a sock. You do the math. This is next level manufacturing. So this goes on, and then of course, as you've seen in our roof suspension videos, we then get the roofs and we adhere them on ready to go. And forward of this is another van ready to have that occur. Get a composite van, you think you've done your research, you think the word composite is, oh, well, everyone must have the same sort of stuff. But let me just tell you, dead wrong. Do your research. Go to a show, touch it, feel it, play with it. You don't have to buy. Just do your research, because you've worked too hard to buy a bad quality van. You worked too hard to spend your hard-earned money on something that's not going to do the job. And now, this beautiful van, DC 17843, is going to have a sideboard adhered, and someone and their beautiful Musketeer Warrior is going to be absolutely wrapped. Guys, like, subscribe, give us a call, 9359 2938. Head to the website, www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.co.au, or alternatively, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Australia. Our 200 workers, certainly thank you. Farewell, support Australian manufacturing, support Crusader, and buy the best. See you guys.